It's a big week ahead for some of the top names in technology as they report their latest quarterly results. Jon Fortt tells us which companies are reporting and what analysts and investors will be watching for this week.
Big week for tech earnings. The names on deck: Yahoo tomorrow, eBay, IBM, and Intel on Wednesday, and Nokia, Google, and Microsoft on Thursday. Let's start with Yahoo. Analysts aren't expecting much from the quarter, which coincidentally marks CEO Marissa Mayer's first anniversary at the helm. It's Mayer's Q3 guidance that's the bigger deal. The street wants $1.12 billion and 34 cents in EPS. To pull that off, Mayer's probably going to have to produce growth in Yahoo's core display ad business.
I think tech investing is all about growth, and so if you can drive the revenue growth higher, then you're going to be rewarded by your investment community if that's coming at appropriate margin levels. You can't just grow and not focus on the profitability of that growth.
On Wednesday, we'll have Intel CEO Brian Krzanich giving his first earnings call. Given the 11% drop in PC sales in Q2, it's going to be another quarter where Intel will have to rely on enterprise and data center sales to pick up the slack. eBay has a challenging quarter to report. Thanks to PayPal, its stock is near all-time highs, and revenues would have to come in around $3.9 billion, 34 cents in EPS. That's the very high end of the guidance range to support analyst estimates. Then there's IBM. Big Blue had been a machine when it comes to EPS growth, managing to keep its results deliciously predictable. Until last quarter, anyway. CEO Ginny Rometty has been working to rein in expenses. We'll see if it was enough. On Thursday, Nokia reports before the bell. All eyes will be on Lumia sales. We'll want to see if last quarter's smartphone numbers add credibility to its survival story. In other words, if Nokia is experiencing the turnaround that's evading BlackBerry. And finally, Google and Microsoft. Both of these companies trading at or near their highest levels in recent memory, but for drastically different reasons. Google's core business is strong, but it's taking risks in mobile that might hurt the bottom line. Microsoft's eroding PC business prompted a reorg last week. Arguably more important than this week's results, what these companies say about the outlook for the second half. Between eBay, IBM, Intel, and more, investors should get a pretty broad look. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Jon Fortt.